Guys, welcome back. So I am moving from now from Ernakulam to Alleppy, so which costed me approx like 81 rupees. So where you can spend within 100 bucks, where you need to travel like 1 hour 40 minutes at least. I hope the travel location as I saw in Google. So once I reach there, right, I'll be letting you know what and all the places to visit in Alleppy. And Alleppy is an amazing location for boat house, and especially for boat house only. So I'm not staying in, I'm not so much crazy about boat house, but I'm crazy about what perspectives and the photography perspective. I'm crazy about that. So let's meet over there and let's talk what and all the speciality of our Onam, what they are doing, and what and all the things goes out for there. So let's see over there and just stay tuned in. So guys, arrived to the hotel, that is Quiolion Residency in Alleppy. So I'll be sharing you the details in the description. Just check out. So it's been like tedious journey, guys. 2.5 hours it happened to me to come for this place actually with jams, and there is a procession which is going on, and I'll be showing you now. It's an amazing procession where you can see for Onam. So for the first time I'm recording the Onam festival. So let's check out.
ആലപ്പുഴ നഗരസഭയുടെ നേതൃത്വത്തിലുള്ള സാംസ്കാരിക മേളമുണ്ട്, ബാൻഡ് മേളമുണ്ട്, ശിങ്കാരി മേളം.
Veg restaurant where it is just nearby. For me it's 100 meters away from my stay, so it's amazing actually to see and celebrate the Onam. The vibes are really amazing, guys. So I'm gonna show the vibes of the real vibes of Kerala. So let's see and let's enjoy. So let's go to that. Now I am covering a unique perspective where every photographer must come and cover over here. So if you are into serious towards photography, so let me show you this frame rating and everything. So you can come and cover a beautiful sunset shots in Alleppy beach. See how beautiful it is. Oh my god, it's actually a God's own country only. And I can claim that it's an amazing beach and clean also. It has been maintained in clean manner. So guys, please don't spoil when you come. This is my request, and henceforth I can say you that just come and enjoy the vibe of this place and just move on. That's it.